Uh, there is no political willpower to fight the insurgents. Let me see quote two former head of states. Former military head of state, General Sani Abacha, said when insurgency went beyond 24 hours, that possibly the government is involved. Then General Babangida said, during their own time, a little threat will go to court for court to sentence them, but a bigger threat, they will send the person to their creators. That is it. But let us look at it. Since we have been facing these insurgents that we say bandit, we say terrorist, we say militant and others, can somebody remember the numbers of people that have been sent to jail or to death sentence? I cannot remember anyone. And we will just hear that they have gone to arrest and they have gone to attack them. Why will you go and attack them and just neutralize them? Why didn't you at least get 2 or 3 of them arrested, and you will use those people that you got arrested to track down the information about the others so that you can get them arrested and do whatever you want to do? It's unfortunate. When Nigerians were crying that they should change the military chiefs, so I know quite well that changing the military chiefs does not matter if the system is porous, if the system is not trustworthy, if the system is not effective, if the system does not allow the military chief to be efficient. Definitely changing them does not matter. Now they have been changed. Nigerians applauded, including myself, we applauded the appointment of former CGS to become the Minister of Defense. But then they have forgotten that as a Minister of Defense, you are just an administrator. The command and control is no longer on his table. It's no longer in his hands. So, being the Minister of Defense may not make you a super functioner, because the command and control is no longer in your table. And if you want to poke nose too much into the command and control, the present military chiefs will think you want to usurp their power, their office. They might sabotage you. And now that they put the man there, recently you heard some of the northern Nigeria that they should drop the man. Some Nigerians were saying it is too early. I say it is not too early. If you take your faulty car to a mechanic, that the wiper is not working well, the next week you go there, you discover that the gear is not working well as well. What do? Will you still keep it there for a very long time? You take it off the place, you give it to an effective mechanic. To me, as of today, the Minister of Defense is talking like a presidential spokesperson. He's displaying his oratory power. He's no longer displaying the military might. He speaks like a politician now. Eventually, he has been a politician now. Now, the office of the National Security Advisor. The National Security Advisor speaks better than any of the presidential spokesperson. Is that what we expect of the office of the National Security Advisor? No, because all the reports submitted by respective military chiefs, intelligence chiefs, must go through the office of the National Security Advisor, and National Security Advisor must analyze it, screen it, and advise the president accordingly. Has he been doing that? So when you don't have the good people at the end of a fear. Definitely, they may not even know how to boost the morale of the men of the operations. We are not getting better when it comes to the issue of insecurity. We are not getting better, we are getting worse. But the government will come out to begin to defend. I listened to Bishop Onayekan recently. He said they went to the presidential villa, and when the National Security Advisor was talking, he said they were looking at themselves. Is it not the same country this man is talking? You understand? When you have those people that believe they have serious oratory power, and they are talking out of point, it's no longer oratory power. You understand? They are just being loquacious. You understand? And in a situation whereby you have the loquacious speaking for the government, what do you have? That is, you can refer to it like if they are practicing oratocracy, where they do 10 and they use 200 to defend 10. That is it. So it's a pity. They are killing civilians now. These people have the effrontery now to bring their battle to the base, military base. That means those people are no longer fighting defensive. They are fighting offensive. And that is exactly what our military should be doing. We are in the intelligence community. The intelligence must go first, gather intelligence, get it, they now analyze it, and holistically study it, and send the people, the boots on ground, the drone from the air. Are we doing that? It's a shameful thing. There are some country, they sit down in their country and shell another country, thousands of kilometers away. But we had it on good authority that even the bandits, the terrorists, they are using drone. And why can't we use drone? It's unfortunate. So what are we really enjoying in the country today? It's virtually nothing. Because no security, no welfare of the people. And those are the two major occupations of government to the people. The duties of government to the people. So that it is unfortunate that we are losing military men, officers, well-trained officers. We are losing them almost on a weekly basis. It's unfortunate, it's sad.